Hi, I'm Phil Thornton, Secretary of the Geraldton Menshed. Welcome, enjoy this tour. We're located at 67 Gregory Street, just up from the fruit and veggie shop. We have a wide range of gifts in our shop, all produced by our members. Come along and have a look and see what you can get for yourself. Pete's just securing a piece of wood into the lathe and he's about to produce one of these. Safety is obviously a prime consideration for us. We've got things like dust extractors. These are private projects of one of our members. It obviously literally takes hours. One of the main goals of the Menshed is to help with men's mental health, or creating an environment which is very welcoming for men. They feel happy to come along and they enjoy everyone's company. This is our version of Bunnings, we call it Billings. This is our storage area and tool store. Most of the work that we do is wood, but we do some metal fabrication work. I've been in this role for approximately 4 years and I'm thoroughly enjoying working with some really talented professional people who are all volunteers and do a terrific job.